He's cute in it, no babe? You like it, Ty? Love picture of mommy Tommy, the squad. The squad is back. The team. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's the weekend and breakfast this morning. You guys see me beating something in a pan. What do you think I'm making this morning for breakfast? Give you guys a hint, Tyler will be happy. If you guys know Tyler, then you know what I'm about to make for breakfast. Can be one of two things, but since I'm beating something, then you guys shouldn't get this wrong. If you're new to the channel, then you might not get it right. Hi Sarah. Hi Sarah. You see the banana? Well, dear Sarah, tell you guys what did you say? Morning face. I'm making banana fritters for my boy this morning. Well, for the entire family. It's a banana. Yes, it's banana. Mama mashing the banana. You wanna help me? Mash it like this. Good job. Continue. Do it, do it, do it. I'm gonna add all the things to it. So I'm gonna add some salt. And I'm gonna add some sugar. You would like to come and say good morning to the faves, please? Yes. You can come beside your sister.
My one. What am I doing now?
What do you wanna do?
Press.
You wanna press?
Yes.
Here, you can mix.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm doing something
Just be gentle, please. Both of you have enough space. Right. Okay, thank you, little helpers. All done. Good job. Anyway, you guys, we have some things to go do on the road today.
We're going to hiking.
No, we're not going hiking today. If we were going hiking, we would have left already. Or we would have about to leave now. We're not going hiking today. The next few weekends we will be busy because vacation is winding down so fast. We have so much on our agenda this month. I was looking at my calendar yesterday, and my calendar for this month is full, like super full, with all the things that I have going on. But anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to the channel, welcome to the Fam Bam. Subscribe before you leave here. Catch up and keep up with us. And I'm going to finish make this breakfast, get the kiddos ready, and we head out on the road. Finally making our way to Ikea. I don't know what's the hype about Ikea. What's the hype about Ikea? What's so special about Ikea that any other home store don't have? Is it the price? Is it the quality? Is it the variety?
It's definitely not the quality.
Definitely not the quality. It's the variety, it's the price.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's not the quality.
I know Ikea is a big deal in USA.
Yeah,
people always go to Ikea.
It's like a Primark for furniture.
Ah, okay.
It's not something that you will find big quality. You want big quality. You want
And they sell just about everything home wise. So I'm excited actually to go in there because one just opened right down the street from us where we live. It's the only one in our city, so it's been buzzing since it opened. It should have opened a while now, but COVID pushed back the opening. Probably like a year ago it was supposed to open, and it recently just opened like a month ago. So yeah, that's where we're heading right now. So I'll take you guys along to Ikea. Our main reason for going to Ikea is because we are changing the kids' room in terms of Sarah needs to get out of the crib, Tyler needs to get a different setting. So what we plan on doing is give Sarah Tyler's bed and find a different bed for Tyler. So that's a cool upgrade. So we want to compare Ikea with the one that we saw at another home store. So that's what we're heading to Ikea to do today. So Ikea is right here, that blue building, blue thing that you're seeing, but the entrance is on the other side. What they're doing is building apartments and other businesses the same place where Ikea is. So Ikea is in the front of this last apartment that you're seeing right here. So we should be going in this parking lot somewhere here. You guys gonna see the front entrance view in just a minute. There it is right there. That's Ikea. Alright, so we're finally in Ikea. The Ikea excitement has begun. Alright, so they have bed sets. Alright, Ikea with the fake plant at a good price. Nice kitchen setting. Cute. I am here to see everything what Ikea has to offer. I'm not just here to look at the bed. I want to see what everything that they have. I like how they make it. Yes. I like how they make each space into like a room. Maybe that's how Ikea does their... Oh, that's the concept. Okay, maybe that's the concept. Look at this gray. Look at the cover. That's a couch cover, you know? That's nice. Okay. It's comfy. It's the same thing. This kind of color couch is for people who don't have kids. Yes, come. You guys, look how full in here is. It's like traffic going through the walkway. You guys can't really see properly, but there's so much people. We were passing this place. We are at the section where there's office setting, and Tyler said, Mama, come, this one is for you. There's something you like. And he carried me to the tripod of the camera. There's another one.
And Mama, this one looks like this one, but in bigger. Or maybe
It's the same one. Same thing. No? I think it is. Or maybe you're right. You guys see the amount of people in here? Everywhere you turn, there's people everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, it's a Saturday. Never come to Ikea. Come. No. This one is so tall. The heat of the ceiling would kill him. I remember Babe had a bed like this at your mom. It was so high, heat would kill us at night. It was big, but it was too high.
It was just, you can't even...
You couldn't do nothing up there. This one don't look too bad. It look nice though. Something about the step too straight for me. Sorry. 501. The step look straight, like if he's gonna climb up, he's gonna fall. But I like the workspace. And I like the little chair. Tyler, sit on the chair, let me see. I thought... Go closer to the desk. He's cute in it, no babe? You like it, Ty? Not bad. I like the section with the storage. I didn't see this.
Look in his huge. It's not little.
Ah. I need to have more storage here. Here. For storage bin.
Look, there's even more storage.
Yes, it is storage. You put these things in.
You add it yourself.
Yeah. So you'd have to buy that separate.
Yeah, I don't think it's a part of, because the bed is like 500
It's not bad actually. It's just this alone I saw and I was a bit.
Yeah, the way it is.
Yeah, it looks straight. The step. They could have made the step a little bit out.
Because the fact that it's here, you can't really put it.
It's not bad. Open the drawer. Let me see the drawer.
There's paper in it.
Open it and watch your finger. The drawer is huge too. Okay, so this one not bad. No, that's fine. It's actually not bad. Oh yeah. The belly. She have a baby, she tummy. The baby mama. What's the belly? Yes, enough picture of mommy tummy. The squad is back. The team. The baby mama. Come on, say hello. Hi. Look at them. And the 3 musketeers, you know, is 4. Yes, tour finish. We toured the entire store. Is huge. I have a lot of things in there. I'm not a huge fan of what they have, but I guess it's convenient for a lot of people. But I love one of the beds that I saw here for Tyler. So now we just have to go and deliberate and see if we're gonna get that one or get the one from Conforama. Now we're having lunch and our friends are here, but in here is so full that they have to be eating downstairs because there's no seats. But anyway, we're at Burger King. Sarah, yummy. Tyler, yummy. Tyler drinking. Babe, yummy. Hey, you guys, we've been back off the road for a while and relaxing and resting and doing a bunch of you know what around here. Anyway, I'm in the kitchen. It's dinner time and I don't feel like cook today, like literally. I guess because we went to Burger King and I ate so much, I feel full and everybody is just lounging around and we got back so late and napped so late and all that. But I still went ahead and made some macaroni and cheese. So I made macaroni and cheese and the leftovers we got back from Burger King, I added that to dinner with some strawberry. No green in the plate today, but that's okay. So that's dinner for my babies. Here you go. Plate is hot, so hold it to the side. And babe and I gonna have king wrap. Leftovers from Burger King. We also had got these two. We also got these 2 wraps. So we're gonna have them for dinner. And dinner is complete for today. So that's what's up dinner time around here. You guys, I'm coming to you with my doodle plats.
The doodle plats?
Yes, that's what we call it in Jamaica, doodle plats.
Oh.
I remember when my mom used to plait my hair like this when I was a kid, and the tool that she used to put at the side My brother used to tie them under my neck. That's how long my hair was. So I used to attach this one and tie it under here. And I used to do it for fun and eat it. Like this. But it was long. Ah, it was longer than that. You guys, I just washed my hair. Hence, I plait it like this. Because I want to braid it tomorrow. I don't know how I'm gonna braid it, but at some point tomorrow, I'll figure it out.
So why you want to braid it tomorrow? You don't want...
Because I'm gonna have a busy next few
So you're
days.
gonna braid it, and you want to do your hair just before to go vacation, right? So you're gonna braid it.
And leave it for 1 week, let it breathe before I braid it for
When you braid
vacation.
it is what? You have extension, you put extension, you put what?
The normal braid, or I normally just plait it in.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But I don't know if I'm gonna cornrow it, just go backwards with the braid in it, or I'm gonna plait it. Because the next few weeks and days gonna be just busy, and I don't feel like coming here every day. So that's what I'm gonna do. You guys saw my friend Tashika today with her big belly and her entire family. My girl almost have baby. Time is winding down. Kids are in bed, and I'm going to lay down because I'm tired. I was trying to edit right now, and I'm like, nope, I'm done. I'm getting up. I'm going to just
Tomorrow morning, that would be a long time. I didn't have a morning when I would just wake up and won't be rush. Like nothing's to do for the morning. It just feels good just to think about it.
But I mean, it's Sunday.
Yeah, but we always have something to do. Last week I had to go to the bakery. I have to do all of this thing for you.
And the week before that, you had to do what?
And something else.
He's too cute, I can't. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to bed. So, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam, bam. Oh, catch up and keep up. And of course, I know you guys will come back to see us tomorrow. I'm going to do my plaits.
Yeah, I'm gonna make yourself pretty.